Welcome to TubeCore. Casual videos but hardcore knowledge. Like this video, subscribe to our channel, press that bell notification. Let's start the video.
WP Simulator Local Review. Namaste friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore, and in this video we will be talking about this WP Simulator. So it says, have you ever broken a live site by mistake? Found creating sites annoyingly slow, had a site down because of bad hosting, had a plugin clash or a buggy theme, had a site killed by hackers. So these could be the reasons why you need this local WP simulator. So if you are a software developer, you handle websites for your clients or for yourself, or maybe you're a newbie and you were thinking about starting a new website, so you need to know a few things here before you decide to buy this, or before you actually need to start a website in 2022 or not. Okay, so if you are a tech savvy person, you will know by now what is this all about. But this is to do with the people whose website goes down. So the normal example is maybe your hosting provider has suspended your website. So you have a domain, right? There are two things. Okay, there are two different things. One is called domain, which is like your company name. Okay, for example, this is a domain, convertible.com, right? So this is the main domain, and this domain is hosted on a hosting, right? So let's say you have a website name which is abc.com, but for that website to go live so that people can see what you are writing on the website, your details, for that you need to host that domain on a hosting service. Okay, that hosting service could be Namecheap, GoDaddy, or a Hostinger, or maybe Big Rock. Okay, so there are many companies out there who will provide you these hosting services, but obviously they control everything. So tomorrow if something goes wrong, if somebody hijacks your website or they send some viruses to your website, because you will be on the shared hosting, so those companies will kick you out and they will say, okay, we are shutting you down, right? So at that time, they will kick you out. Those big companies will kick your hosting off, or they will kick you out. Your domain will be taken down. So you need a solution, right? So in case, whatever the reason is, either you are taking your website offline purposely because you want to fix it was running too slow, or somebody has hacked it, or maybe your hosting company has shut you down. Whatever the reason is, you need to create a backup. Okay, so how quickly can you create the backup? Because once you are kicked out, your website is dead, right? So if your website was like 5-10 years old, you had thousands and thousands of articles and blogs on that, how will you get it back? You will not go and write those 10,000, 20,000 articles, blogs, and they will be wiped out in the matter of a second, right? So how will you get the backup of your whole website, so that in the future if something goes wrong, you just have to go and upload the backup of your website to your new hosting company, to your new hosting account, and then your website will go live as it was before it was taken down, right? So this is what they are going to teach you here in this. I'm not very tech savvy here in this, because I am not a software developer. I can only work on WordPress and create those websites which are like copy and paste, drag and drop. Okay, I'm not a hardcore programmer, but this is what I have understood with this. So if you want to make sure that you do not lose backup of your website, then go and check out the sales page here. That's all I could figure out so far. Rest you have to go and spend time on the sales page and understand what they're talking about. It's not something which I have the problem with, or rather I will not use it, because I don't actually depend on websites to make money for me. Yes, I do have 3 websites, and I have one company website, I have one review website, I have one technical support website. Okay, I have a lot of websites, but yes, I'm not that tech savvy to handle all this. So that is why probably it's not for me. So you see here they're talking about some web server, PHP, SQL, Apache. Well, I can't work with these, right? So I am not that tech savvy, so this is not for me. But yes, if you are into this field, you're a developer, whatever you are, if you think you want this, then maybe go and check out the demo video, and then you can go and get it, because it will mainly help you to make a local backup. Local backup means you can have that backup on your computer, on your PC or laptop. Okay, that's called local backup on your local machine. Because if you go and have the backup on maybe on your hosting company, well, they're going to take you down anyway. Okay, so your backup will be gone too, right? So you need to have the backup on your local machine, and I think this WP, what is the name, simulator, whatever. So this is going to help you with this problem, right? So that you can have the backup. And again, it's too technical for me to explain, so I will not explain any further because I do not understand the technical terms what they're going to use here. So maybe go and watch the videos, and then if you want to buy this, you have to pay $17 for this, okay? So go and check out this video at the top and then make up your mind. And then they do have some upgrades, I believe. So let me talk about OTOs here. So this is OTO number 1, which is Agency Client Finder for 67. So this is going to show you, I guess, how to find some clients. If you are an agency and you want to go and get some clients to make money, then this is the OTO number 1. OTO number 2 is Services and Tutorials for 37. OTO 2 is Power Online Review. So I have no idea what is all this, but when you buy the front end, when you will be buying this WP simulator local, when you buy the front end, you will be taken through all these upsells and downsells one by one. And on these pages, you can go and check all the features, what you are buying or what you're paying for or what they have to offer to you. Then just check out everything. And if you decide if you want that, then go and pick up, or you can skip that. Okay, so whatever you need, go and buy. Whatever you don't need, you can click on skip, right? Let's get back here now. This is with short review. So we are done here with this review, I guess. If you need, then you go and buy. But the other reason why I was recording this video, because if you are a new person, okay, if you have no websites till now, or even if you have a website but your website is making nothing, there are only two reasons why would somebody start a website. Either you are a brand and you just need to have a website as per your company name, right? I do have website as per my brand, okay? Otherwise, the second reason is that you want to start a blog or something and you are expecting to make money with your blog or your website, right? So if your end goal, if your whole and soul and end goal is only to make money online, then do not start a website. And if you have started the website and in last few months you have not seen any results, then do not carry on working on your website, because it's only wasting time and wasting money, okay? Because now I will show you how to exactly make money in 2022 without paying for hosting, without writing any single piece of content on the website, and actually without a website, okay? The simple example here is this YouTube video which I'm recording. This video which you are watching right now from last 5 minutes, I guess. This video is absolutely free to record. It is uploaded on YouTube, which is also free. So on YouTube, you can go and upload as many videos, millions of videos. Nobody will come and ask you. And YouTube is totally free, right? We know that, okay? And on the other end, YouTube actually pays YouTubers. So for example, I am making money on YouTube, right? If you go below my channel here, you can see my channel name, TubeCore. First of all, just go and subscribe to the channel, because this button is for you, not for me, right? You understand, okay? So we YouTubers, we cannot subscribe to ourselves. So that is why YouTube asks us to ask you to subscribe, right? So hit the subscribe button, like the video, press the bell notification. All of that is free. And also, if you like this channel, or you like our reviews and you want to contribute or support to the channel, or you want to leave your colorful comments, then you can click on this thanks button or super thanks button, and you can leave your colorful comments too, or ask questions, okay? And I was talking about making money with YouTube. So this is it. It says make money with Traffic Jarvis. So this Traffic Jarvis will help you to get what? It will help you to get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours for your YouTube channel within 2 weeks only, and then get your YouTube channel monetized within 30 days, okay? And this is a requirement which you have to fulfill as soon as possible, because without getting your YouTube channel monetized, you cannot make money with your YouTube videos, because you must have seen some ads in my YouTube video in the beginning, right? So these ads which you see, they make money for me. So my job is simply to upload these videos every day on YouTube, and people will be watching these videos, people will be watching these ads in their videos, and that is how I make my money, okay? So if you want to do exactly what I'm doing, and you want to make money without creating a website, without paying for hosting, without doing technical stuff, then you can go and start a YouTube channel. But obviously, just by starting a YouTube channel means nothing, okay? You need to know everything about YouTube, in and out, step 1, 2, 3 until 100, and then only you can go and make money on YouTube full time. But you will make money, okay? If you go and follow Traffic Jarvis here, you will go and make money on YouTube for free rest of your life, as long you go and get the knowledge, okay? So making money on YouTube is absolutely free if you have the knowledge. Otherwise, get the knowledge and then start and then make money for the rest of your life. Okay, so I guess let's do a recap here. What is the name? WP Simulator Local. This is a local edition. Earlier, like this was launched maybe 1 or 2 years before as well, but this one is the local edition. Local means you can get the backup downloaded on your local computer, local PC, local machine. Okay, if you want this, go and get this. You might find the link below somewhere here. So you might find the link that says grab a WP local copy here. So if you see the link, then go and buy. If you don't see the link, then don't buy. Okay. Anyway, so now we were talking about traffic Jarvis here. So if you want to know how to make money with YouTube and get your YouTube channel monetized within 30 days, okay, max 30 days, then keep watching the video and do subscribe. So once you click on the first link below my YouTube video, it says make money with traffic Jarvis, and then you will be taken to this website which says finally proven methods for making real money online from home, even if you're a brand newbie. Option number 1 is email marketing. Option number 2 is YouTube traffic Jarvis. So this traffic Jarvis will help you to monetize your YouTube channel within 30 days as soon as possible, and it will help you to get those 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, which are required to get if you want to make money on YouTube without selling anything. Okay, so before I talk about traffic Jarvis in detail, first of all, let's talk about this email marketing method here. So you can also make money with email marketing just by sending 1 email per day, but you need a lot of numbers. Okay, you need to have thousands and thousands of email addresses into your list, and then only you can go ahead and make some money with email marketing. So if you want to grow your email list without buying some paid ads, then you can try this system which you see right now on the screen. This will give you 100 email leads from US, Canada, Australia, from those countries, and you will also be allowed to send emails to these leads once per day. So by the end of the month, in 30 days, you will have 3,000 leads minimum, and you will be able to send them emails 30 times, in a month, right? So here are the proofs. You can see they have made 15,000 plus with the system. They have made 15,000 plus with the system. I have made 377 so far, and when I am recording this video, you might be watching this video in my on my YouTube channel, but these data will change because this is a recurring commission. Okay, so these numbers keeps adding every month, and this number will change. I don't know when you're watching this video, so whatever numbers you will see, those will be the updated numbers. Okay, and then if you want to learn how to use the system, then go and click on this play button, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this watch free video, then go back to your email, verify your email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to this video. Watch the video and take action, because if you take action, I'll send you some bonus email stripes. Okay, now let's talk about YouTube traffic Jarvis, because on YouTube, again, you can make money for the rest of your life without selling anything. Click on the play button here, go on the next page, enter your name and email address, click on this red button, go back to your email, verify the email. Once you have verified your email, then you will be taken to the traffic Jarvis video. Watch the video, take action, because you can see the proofs here. This is the money I have made just by uploading videos without selling anything, because my YouTube channel is monetized, and you must have seen some ads in my YouTube videos. So the more people see these ads in my YouTube videos, the more money this video is going to make for me. Okay, the same can be done for you too. You can go and get your YouTube channel monetized with the help of traffic Jarvis within maximum 30 days, and after that your job is simply to upload videos every day on your channel and make this kind of money. Okay, and you can see here, this is the money I have made by doing some reviews on my YouTube channel. My primary source of income is YouTube ad revenue. Just upload videos, make money, no selling required. Okay, and again, these numbers will change. These numbers will grow, because again, I'm telling you, this is a recurring commission system. So right now, if it shows 560, in the future it might be well above 600 or 700. So the data will be changing when you're watching the video in the future. Okay, all right, great. So we have these two methods, email marketing and YouTube. Now, if you can master these two methods, you will never need to learn any third way to make money online. So go and check this out. And then we have this link says get kiss tracking, keep it simple, stupid. Kiss tracking is all about doing what I'm doing right now. So in case if you are interested in learning how to do these reviews on your YouTube channel, if you want to know how to find these products, how to get your affiliate links approved, and how to upload these videos on your YouTube channel, then you can go through this kiss tracking training. And this kiss tracking will also be available inside traffic Jarvis. Okay, and then we have the third link. It says make 120 recurring commission. Let's click on this one. This is for people who know how to sell, or maybe you have some kind of experience online. So just go and enter your name and email first, and then click on email me my free ebook. Then go back to your email address, click on the verification email, and then you will be given your ebook. Go and read the ebook if you want to join the system and take action, because you have to go and sell this system to others, because this system can make you up to $120 from one person, from one sale. Okay, so if you can bring in, let's say, 10 people into the system, those 10 people can make you up to $1,200 every single month. Okay, so this is a recurring system, and they will give you the proper training inside how to go and try free traffic or paid traffic. So you will have all the training inside too. But it is good if you have some experience already, and experience means if you already have a YouTube channel, or maybe you have an email list, or you have some kind of audience, and you can go and promote this product, so that will give you quick boost. Okay, so this is it. These were the links, and I would say go and check them out. If you want to make money without selling anything for rest of your life, then you can go for traffic service YouTube method. YouTube is absolutely free, and it's entirely on you. The more you work, the more money you will make. Here's the example, as you can see. And email marketing, you have to go and start doing it, because you have to wait for the numbers to grow, because in 1 month you will be getting 3,000, and that means you have to spend 2, 3, 4, 5 months before you can get up to those 10 or 15,000 email addresses. Okay, so all these methods are working for me. They will work for you too if you know how to make them work. Okay, so again, in the end, go and check everything, and thank you so much for watching the video so far, and subscribe. I have told you, YouTube does not allow me to subscribe to my own channel, so you gotta do it. Subscribe, like, leave your colorful super comments here, and thank you for watching the video again. I guess I'll see you in my next video shortly. Till then, bye bye, tai tai. That means tada, bye bye.